Today in this video, we're going to look at the best laptops for coding on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Apple MacBook Air 13-inch 2024. Experience the ultimate blend of power and portability with this cutting-edge laptop, designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Whether you're working, creating, or simply enjoying some downtime, this sleek device is packed with features to elevate your everyday experience. Lightweight, ultra-thin, and incredibly efficient, it's a perfect companion for those who value style and performance. Powered by the blazing fast M3 chip with an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this laptop handles everything from multitasking to graphics-intensive applications with ease. The all-new Apple Intelligence System makes writing, creating, and staying productive seamless while keeping your privacy protected. Even better, it boasts up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can leave your charger behind and focus on your day. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display supports billion colors, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant detail. Pair that with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, 3 studio-quality microphones, and 4 speakers featuring spatial audio, and you've got a device that looks and sounds incredible for work, video calls, or entertainment. Compatibility is key, and this laptop flies through apps like Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud, thanks to macOS and Apple Silicon. Connectivity is a breeze with 2 Thunderbolt ports, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, a MagSafe charging port, and a headphone jack. It even supports 2 external displays for an expanded workspace. Number 4. Acer Aspire 3 Slim Laptop. Elevate your everyday computing experience with a laptop designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Perfect for work, study, or play, this sleek, lightweight device offers exceptional portability without compromising on performance. Whether you're browsing the web, attending virtual meetings, or streaming your favorite shows, this laptop is your ultimate companion for productivity and entertainment. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor with Radeon graphics, it delivers smooth, efficient performance that's perfect for the whole family. The stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with narrow bezels ensures vibrant visuals and crisp details, making everything from spreadsheets to movies look incredible. Plus, with 8GB of LPDDR5 memory and a 128GB NVMe solid-state drive, you'll have the speed and storage you need to multitask effortlessly and keep your files organized. Stay connected and look your best during video calls with the HD front-facing camera, equipped with Acer's Temporal Noise Reduction (TNR) technology for clear images even in low light. Paired with Acer Purified Voice and AI noise reduction, your voice will be crystal clear during online meetings, free from background distractions. Enjoy reliable connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and 2x2 new MIMO technology, ensuring a strong and consistent wireless signal. The improved thermal system, featuring a 78% increase in fan surface area, enhances cooling and extends your work sessions, letting you focus on your tasks without worrying about overheating. Number 3. Apple MacBook Air M2 2022. Discover a laptop that's as versatile as your lifestyle. Perfectly blending power, portability, and sleek design, this device is built to handle everything from intense work sessions to creative pursuits and casual entertainment. Lightweight at just 2.7 pounds and strikingly thin, it's made for on-the-go productivity and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Powered by the next-generation M2 chip, it delivers exceptional speed and performance with an 8-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU, ensuring you can tackle tasks effortlessly. Whether you're editing videos, managing large projects, or multitasking across apps, this laptop keeps up without breaking a sweat. Plus, with up to 24GB of unified memory, you'll experience lightning-fast responsiveness no matter what's on your to-do list. The stunning 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display brings your content to life with over 500 nits of brightness, P3 wide color, and support for 1 billion colors, ensuring vibrant visuals and incredible detail. Paired with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, 3 mic array, and a 4-speaker sound system featuring spatial audio, it's perfect for video calls, streaming, or creative projects. Designed for all-day use, its energy-efficient M2 chip delivers up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can work or play longer without needing to recharge. Connectivity is seamless with a MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack, while compatibility with Microsoft 365, Zoom, and even iPhone and iPad apps ensures you're ready for anything. Durable and built to last, its all-aluminum unibody construction is both stylish and robust, and free software updates keep it secure and running smoothly for years to come. If you're looking for a device that feels familiar, yet elevates every aspect of your work and play, this laptop is the perfect choice. Upgrade your tech and experience the difference today. Number 2. Asus Chromebook CM14 Laptop. Step into a world of productivity and convenience with a laptop designed to fit your lifestyle. Whether for work, school, or entertainment, this device delivers reliable performance in a sleek and durable design. Lightweight and efficient, it's packed with features that make everyday computing seamless and enjoyable. Powered by the MediaTek Companion 520 processor, with 8 cores running at up to 2.05 GHz, it offers a responsive and smooth experience. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, you'll have the speed and space you need to handle essential tasks, stream content, and store your files. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure fast and stable connectivity wherever you go. The 14-inch HD Nano Edge anti-glare display provides crisp visuals with reduced reflections, making it comfortable for extended use. A high-definition webcam with face lighting adjustment ensures you always look your best during video calls, and the physical webcam shield adds an extra layer of privacy. The spill-resistant keyboard and US Mail STD 810H military-grade standard build provide durability, letting you focus on your tasks worry-free. Hygiene is also a priority with ASUS Antimicrobial Guard, which inhibits bacterial growth by up to 99% over 24 hours, keeping your device clean and safe to use. The thoughtfully designed ports include USB Type-A, USB Type-C with display and power delivery support, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a micro SD card reader, making it easy to connect all your peripherals. Sustainably manufactured with EPEAT Silver certification, this laptop is not just reliable, but environmentally conscious. Compact, versatile, and durable, it's the perfect companion for anyone seeking a balance of performance, style, and practicality. Make the smart choice and take your everyday computing to the next level today. Number 1. Lenovo new V15 laptop. Experience productivity like never before, with a laptop built to handle your everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're tackling work projects, attending online classes, or enjoying your favorite entertainment, this device is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it the perfect companion for work or play. At the heart of this laptop lies the Intel Celeron N4500 dual-core processor, offering a base clock speed of 1.1 GHz and boosting up to 2.8 GHz for enhanced multitasking capabilities. Paired with up to 30 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth transitions between multiple apps and programs,